The way some of the guys treat ladies in this house, in this Big Brother Niger house, is actually funny, like very, very funny. Like you can imagine the triangle that's always going on. Okay, now the triangle has now turned to Watoni, Dorothy, and Bright. Oh, normally it was Dorothy and also with Nengi, then Wathoni, Prince, and Tolani Badge. Right now, it is Bright O, Dorothy, and Watoni. Apparently, it happened that the week Ebuka asked Bright O what he feels about Ozo and Dorothy's relationship, that he said he feels Dorothy loves Ozo. It's apparently Dorothy had a conversation with Bright O that she would like to kiss him. So she was surprised he saying such a thing when Ebuka asked her. All that one don't pass. But now, you know, Bright O is seeming close to Dorothy, seeming close to Wathoni, So Dorothy this evening after the party, she had a conversation with Lucy, Wathoni, two other people were there, and she was saying something that she doesn't want to be in a triangle again. She doesn't want to be in a triangle again. So she rather stop talking to Bright O and quarrel with Bright O than to stop talking to Wathoni. She said she respects and values her friendship with Wathoni other than whatever feelings she feels for Bright O. So now she and Wathoni set a trap for Bright O, because apparently it happened that Bright O invited Wathoni over to come and sleep on his bed. And yesterday night, Wathoni slept on Bright O's bed, and we saw the way things happened that night. The sleeping was not sleep. A lot of things even happened, So then V and Wathoni were having a conversation, and Wathoni was telling V that Bright O invited her to the bed. So she set a trap with Dorothy on that same Bright O's bed. So she and V started going to check up to see what's up, whether Dorothy would be on Bright O's bed, and if Bright O would tell Dorothy that Wathoni is meant to be on the bed. So that's how they went to. Bright O did not say anything, but apparently Dorothy was on the bed. So she also had a conversation with Tolani Badge. She told Tolani Badge everything that happened. She told Tolani Badge that she even kissed Bright, and that she felt the kiss was so genuine than what she did with Kidwaya, she felt like the kiss was genuine in general, So Tolani Badge went ahead to tell Bright O everything that happened, Wathoni told Tolani Badge, and she said, I told you this because I feel we are closer. That is why I'm telling you that I kissed Bright O. But she did not tell Tolani Badge that it was just not a kiss. It was more than a kiss, So Tolani Badge went straight to Bright O and spilled everything open. Bright O and Tolani are close. So Tolani went straight to Bright O. I love the kind of question Tolani asked Bright. She just asked him, are you trying to play games with Dorothy and Wathoni? He didn't say anything. And Tolani was like, see what is happening, see what is happening, see what is happening. What do you feel about this? And Bright O said it that he is not here for any relationship. And that Dorothy is on his bed. He doesn't know how to tell her to leave. He doesn't know how to tell her to leave the bed. Even when Kaisha was around, Kaisha also comes to his bed, but he doesn't know how to tell her to leave. I said, whoa. So Tolani was like, did you invite Wathoni to your bed? He said yes. Apparently they slept together yesterday. So Tolani said was like, what is happening? Why don't you tell them to stop coming to your bed? And he said it is rude for him to just say they should stop coming to his bed. So what are you doing? What the hell are you doing? And Bright O stated it clear that he is not interested. He's not relationshiply interested in any of them. To the extent that he even left the bed for Dorothy and went outside to stay. Now, what is wrong with all these people in the house? Just because somebody talked to you or smiled at you doesn't mean the person is automatically asking for a relationship. And this is where we see Wathoni. Watoni said that she did not come to the house to have any relationship. So you did not come to the house to have any relationship, but you and a triangle, you've been in a triangle with Kidwire Erica and Bright. Oh, no, Kidwire Erica, now Prince and Tolani Badge. Now it is Bright O and Dorothy. And then Tolani Badge asked Bright O about the kiss. What did he feel? That, Tolani Badge told praying Bright oh what Watoni said about the kiss and how deep she felt it, and Bright oh said he is a good kisser, so it might just be his normal way of doing his thing, and then Watoni caught feelings or is catching feelings or feels it's genuine. Can imagine that. He can just imagine, like, using girls to catch crews. What's up now? What is all this? Like, I'm not even enjoying it. Like, now wow, it's just because you know how to do some things, you not do anyways, guys, I cannot vex too much. I'll just vex more and leave the rest, of the vex. Stay tuned on this channel, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Like, I need to take a sleep. I need to go to sleep. See you guys tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow. I love you. I don't even know what is happening between Ozo and Nengi. I'll come back and tell you.